Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Michaels haul. I didn't quite make the sticker sale, but I did end up going a few days later, picked up a few things, and I am here to share. So let's get on with it because I have quite a few hauls to film today. Can't wait to share with you guys all the cute stuff that I found. So the first things that I bought is, if you guys know, I mentioned in my projects, I think my last video that I did, a craft with me, that I cannot stand my glue gun because I was using this one, which is the Precision Pro. But you guys, the freaking leakage on this is ridiculous. And I just couldn't deal with it. I like the precision tip, but it's just too much. So I picked up a pink one, and I also picked up the teal blue one. So this is just like a spare in case this one gets all like nasty and cruddy. I figured I'd have a backup, and these are like $4, so they're super cheap. And yeah, I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up and used my coupon on these super cute Martha Stewart favor bags, and you get 10, and they're little canvas bags. You guys, how cute are these? And these would be cute to like add in Happy Mail. You get the tassel, the ribbon, and the little canvas bags. And the regular price $10, but I used my coupon that I think on that day was like 50% off. So I got it for $5, which for 10 bags I think is a good deal. So I got that with my coupon. I also picked up 2 different types of tulle. I picked up a gold one and this one that's kind of like white with glitter on it, like little glitter polka dots. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So I picked up these 2. And then I went crazy on the $2 bins because everything is 70% off. So you basically get it for like 60 cents. So I picked up these cute donut die cuts. I've been meaning to get these, but I didn't want to pay $2 for them. So I got those. And then I also picked up the cactuses. I was going to get the ice cream, but then I was like, nah. I'll settle with the donut and the cactuses. I picked up 2 sets of stamps. I got these 2. This one with a little ice cream, the rainbow, hello friend, and then the little lemon and the watermelon. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And for 60 cents, you guys, and you get 5 stamps, that's a good deal. I also picked up a bunch of the little puffy stickers. I got the little cactus. I picked up the little toucan, so cute. The little ice cream, the ice cream pop. And then I got these sequins patches. This one was super cute. I got 2 of these. I just need to find the other one. I think I got like a mermaid one. Yes, I did. It's over here. How cute is that? And just to add to like a project or gift it is super fun. Then I got the little vintage telephone and the little bicycle with the little basket, which is so cute. And I didn't want to pay, like, I think it's pretty pricey to pay $2 for just 1 sticker. So 60 cents, that's not too bad. And then I picked up 2 sets of note cards. I got this one that says ice cream solves everything with the super cute unicorn. And then I picked up this one that says, roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. This is so cute. I plan on doing unicorn mail, so I've been kind of like, you're going to see a lot of unicorn stuff because I've been out of the swapping game for such a long time for myself because I've always been so consistent that I am dying to do a unicorn swap. I haven't chosen my unicorn swap partner yet. But once I gather everything up, I am definitely doing that. And you know I will be sharing. I also picked up these for 60 cents, which are super fun to like gift in some Happy Mail. And then, of course, I saw Happy Mail Queen haul these, and I needed them in my life. And these are the Hot Buys. They were like $5. And you get 60 sets of these mermaid cards and the unicorn. These are like all the designs that you get. And I thought these would be fun to incorporate. Like sometimes you could even cut them up and use them in your projects. So that's a lot of fun to do. And I used them on practically anything. I put them on, I gift them in Happy Mail, I use them in projects, so it's a great deal for $5. I definitely wanted to pick it up. So this purchase, I blame on Happy Mail Queen. I've been so obsessed with her hauls lately. She makes me want to shop all the time. And let's see, what else? I think the last things are just paper pads. So what I'm going to do is take all this stuff out of the way so that I can show you guys the paper pads that I picked up, because I picked up quite a few. Okay. If you guys saw my room right now, it's insane. So the first paper pad that I'm going to show you guys is this one. And this is called Butterfly, I can't speak, Butterfly Blooms. And I think this one still has a sticker, so I'm gonna, so that I can give you guys a flip through. I love the colors. This is perfect for summer. Look how pretty. And it says it has 12 sheets come with treatments, meaning it has like a glitter effect. And it's textured. So get this pretty mint green, the stripes, that beautiful cutter part. I never know what to do with those kind of pages. What do you guys do with these kind of pages like that? Do you frame them? Look at these cutter parts. And you got the florals. Just a perfect summer pad, and I had not come across it before. I had not seen it. I haven't seen anybody haul this one, so that was fun to find. So that one is the Butterfly Blooms. And then I also picked up this one, which I was super excited to find, and it's the Embossed Brights. And let's see what we have here. Oops, I ended up cutting my paper. Okay. And this is what this one looks like. And they're all embossed with different stuff. Like this has like little triangles. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then there's circles, like little waves, chevron, like almost like the basket weave. I love this one. And the colors are so pretty. This is perfect to like layer or use as a base for your projects, especially like cards. I love making cards, so this would be like a good base. And for $5, it was a great deal, because it saves you the having to emboss yourself. The pages already come embossed. The next paper pad that I got is Magic Hour, and this is like a mermaid theme, also with 12 treatments. And it's very blue toned. I'm not a big fan of blue, but I am a fan of mermaids. So I did get this just to make the unicorn mail, and it matches the note cards that I showed before. So I definitely wanted to pick this up. Seashells, little fairies. Love the cutter parts, the watercoloring. I don't think I've seen this one before. I only saw the note cards. I'm not sure if, maybe I have. I don't remember. I love this one too, the mermaid. This is so pretty. Look at the unicorn. This would be so cute, like if you make like a loaded bag. So fun. Next one I got is this one. It's called Tropic Vacation. And this one is super fun too. It's like very tropical, unicorns, beachwear. Reminds me a lot of Crepe Paper Oasis. And the one that's out right now, which is I think Wild Heart, is it called, by Crepe Paper? Bunch of flamingos. Super fun. The toucans, the banana leaves. I'm here for all of it. I love it. And then I got, let me move this one out. This one, which is kind of fallish to me, but I still wanted to pick it up. If it's an early fall release, then I'm glad I got my hands on it. Super fun. It's called Little Wild Flower. And this is what the pages look like. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite page. It's so cute. Look at the cutter parts. If you guys know if this is a fall, because it's like the critters and stuff like that, it's a very fall-like paper pad. So if it's old and it just got caught in my sights because I've never seen it before. You guys, look at this page. It's got the little gold detailing. I love this page. I would literally buy another pad just for this page because you only get 2. But how beautiful is that? Look at these cutter parts, you guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with this during the fall season and create pocket letters. Look at the gold foiling on the little feathers. Very tribal. I definitely think, look at this page, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? I definitely think this is an early fall release. I don't know. Tell me down below if you guys know. And then the next one is this one, which is called Funky Fresh, which is another one that I haven't seen, or if I have, I don't remember, but it's super fun. Kind of reminds me of the Michaels, the other one. I forgot what it's called. I don't remember what the name is, but it had all the rainbow and stuff like that. Maybe this is from that collection. Look at the pretzels, how cute, the little gold foiling. I love the cutter parts. It's a super fun pad. I have so much paper, you guys. I don't even know where I'm gonna put these. And the last paper pad I want to show you guys is this one. It's called Girls Getaway, and I saw Craft Purge Tony use this on some mail that she made, and I definitely wanted to get it because it was like a travel theme, but not your typical travel theme, which is with the browns and stuff like that, or blues. It was very girly, so when I saw it, I was like, yep, you're coming home with me. Cactuses, the mint green map. It's travel theme, but yet very girly and fun, and I love it. Look at that page, how beautiful that is. So pretty. And you guys, for $5, when they normally sell them like on a regular day for 20 bucks, you can't beat it. Look at that map, how beautiful in those colors. So whenever I do see them for 5 bucks, I definitely jump on them and get a whole bunch because it's a great deal and you definitely shouldn't pass up. But I think that's everything that I picked up from Michaels. Stay tuned for my Walmart haul, and I think I have like a 99-cent store haul, and also a TJ Maxx and Home Goods haul. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.